Hey everyone, it's Ozzy here, and today is day 9, and we're going to talk about editorial or listicle examples. So, listicle is kind of list of articles, and editorial is kind of your opinion, like expert, someone giving opinion. Example, if I give it a little bit, you can understand. For example, 10 Netflix show you need to watch this month. So that's a listicle. Why Netflix is getting worse every year? It can be editorial because someone specifically saying why it's getting worse. If I give you this example, e-com example, then like listicle is something like 7 reasons your product page is not converting. So each of the point is simple. People are going to skim it, people save it, share it. Editorial is like stop changing your button color. Your copy is the problem. Strong opinion, and people agree or disagree. Either way, the comments, you get their attention. And why mostly people use it? So listicle is mainly people use it for blog, for ranking, like SEO ranking, or for like in Google, like this way too. Now people are using it on ads sometimes. Just customize a bit. Then also editorial is many people use it, like a DTC brand use it for build a personality or point of view in a specific product. They write about this thing. About the editorial. So yeah, this is about the thing, mainly editorial for building a trust elements. Okay, now let's see the example. This is one of them. Here are the 5 reasons this product rate and mature in screen. As you can see, kind of same thing we're getting here. And this is the 5 reasons they're talking about. Yeah. And if you look at this mobile, mostly in editorial, we are showing like who is the person posting it. So we mentioned at that starting like a blog, but right now I can see it in here, but mostly we do it if you see other templates, and you're going to see it's sort of different. Kind of like this, yeah. This is kind of a editorial best option. Mostly, this is a better example, I could say. But if you look at my previous video, then it's kind of same thing. So yeah, this is the design. As you can see, this is the really good example of editorial. Yeah, as you can see here, yeah, this is good. But I could say this is also good. Also have another one, but that's our right now not showing. Maybe have their issue with the website, but these two are really good. You could really see. Yeah. Yeah, and if I see their mobile design also, this is also good. Maybe when you're gonna check the video, you can check my comments. I will give all of this link and below there. You can like check from there. Maybe hopefully all of the website will be works that time. By the way, right now I'm offering a free audit on your DTC brand. So if you have any website, like e-com website, they have a low conversion, you can just send to me the links. I will do audit and send to you Loom, like how you can just increase their conversion.